Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing good, and in today's video guys, I'm going to be sharing my post shower routine with you all. So yes, first of all, I clean my skin, I shave it off, and this is a routine which I do like once or twice a week because we do not need to shave every day. So the most part of the video is going to be included what I do after shower. So that is certainly going to be moisturizing the skin once I hop out of shower. It is very important guys that you lock in the moisture. It makes you smell delicious throughout the day, and it also helps in hydrating and moisturizing the skin, which helps in making it beautiful, silky and smooth. So you can pick out a moisturizer which you guys love and make sure that you apply it all over your body every day. Don't miss it guys. And after that I move on to using a body oil. Now this is not a necessary step, you can avoid it if you already have oily skin, but I am someone who has normal skin and I love applying oils on the skin, especially in the winter season. Even I try to apply it in summers as well because it's a coffee oil guys, and it helps in moisturizing the skin. And if you have a bit of scars on the body or there is a cellulite, then it is definitely gonna help you guys in there. And it has a beautiful aroma which helps in calming down your senses. After that, underarm care, again very important. I apply a deodorant which is natural in nature and which also helps in preventing any kind of darkening in the underarms. Now here is gonna be a mini facial that I do like once a week or twice a week, and this one is gonna be from Lotus Herbals, and this is gonna be their Radiant Diamond Kit. Now I am doing the first step here, and that is gonna be cleansing scrub. Now this helps in removing any kind of dead skin cells you have on the skin and gives you polished and refined skin. Now this scrub consists of diamond dust, cinnamon and amber extracts, which helps in deeply cleansing your skin and makes it very beautiful. It is very important that you scrub your skin guys, because it just helps in making it pure, and it also helps in adding that radiance to the face. Next step is gonna be using an activator guys, and this is gonna be the step 2. And when you get the small kit, the sachets that I'm trying to show you, you get all of these numbers, so that is not gonna be a problem. You do not have to go to the salon to get it done. Now this activator helps in dissolving any kind of impurities you have on the face. It helps in restoring the luster of the skin, and the main ingredient in the activator is gonna be diamond dust, which provide great radiance to the skin. Now we do not need to rinse off the activator, and we are going to be moving on to step 3, and that is going to be using massage cream. Now we need to use the massage cream on the face for a good 10 to 15 minutes. It is a time consuming process guys, but it is certainly going to give you amazing results. It has special microparticles which helps in treating skin cells and helps in generating new cells in the skin. It has cinnamon extract which helps in nurturing the skin, and it also helps in balancing the skin texture with the correct moisturization level. It is very important that you get the glow, especially around this festive season guys. This kit is currently my favorite because it's very affordable and it gives me desired results. So after doing this one for 10 to 15 minutes, I rinse it off, and then we are going to be moving on to last step guys, and we are almost done here. And I will be using this diamond facial mask, which helps in empowering a healthy radiance to your face. It has extracts which helps in enhancing your skin complexion. It has antioxidants which helps in removing the dark spots and the patches that you have on your face and give you glowing and refined skin. I rinse it off after 10 minutes guys, and can you look at the glow I have on my face? I have nothing on my skin and it feels like it is glowing from within. So if you want to buy this Lotus Herbals Diamond Facial Kit, the link is gonna be in the description box below. Make sure that you check it out. After that, I'm gonna be moving on to my face skincare routine. And once you rinse your face off, make sure that you're using the toner, because as I'm entering in my late 20s, I need to hydrate my skin more so that I can get that toning in my skin and it doesn't sag. After that, here I am going to be using a Niacinamide Serum here, which helps in treating up my pigmentation or any kind of dark patches I have on my face. So yes, just let it get absorbed in your skin, and your skin definitely become better if you take care of it. Next up, we are going to be moving on to using a sunscreen, because even if you are using any chemical exfoliant on your skin, or even because I just got a facial done, make sure that you are protecting it against those harmful UVA and UVB rays so that you can have that glow intact. Next up, we are going to be moving on to taking care of the lips. It is very important, guys, that you hydrate and moisturize your lips in the evening and in the night as well. So yes, I applied this lip balm and it helps me in giving beautiful and plumpy lips. So with that, we are going to be wrapping up today's video. I hope you all like it. I love you all so much.